In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a secret in Replit's secrets pane. If you're working with anything that requires credentials, such as a database connection or an external you should never paste those values directly into your code. Replit provides a built-in secrets pane that safely stores sensitive information and makes it available to your project at runtime without exposing it in your files or commits. Let's walk through the process from start to finish. First, open your Replit workspace and look to the sidebar where you normally find tools like the console and File Explorer. Among those, you'll see the Secrets pane. Depending on your layout, it might be labeled as Secrets or use an icon that looks like a lock. Click it to open the dedicated area where all of your environment variables are managed. This is your secure dashboard for sensitive data. Once you're in the Secrets pane, you'll see an option to create a new entry. Click the button that says Add a New Secret or New Secret. This opens a simple form where you'll define exactly what you're storing. Now enter the key and the value. The key is the name you'll use to reference this secret in your code. Treat it like a variable name, short, descriptive, and typically in uppercase with underscores, such as database, URL, or API token. Avoid spaces and keep it clear so future you and teammates know what it represents. The value is the actual sensitive data, like a connection string or token. Paste it carefully, double-check for extra spaces or hidden characters, and don't wrap it in quotes unless your specific tool requires it. If you're copying from a password manager, make sure you've captured the entire value. When everything looks correct, select Add Secret to save it. Replit will store it securely and make it available to your project at runtime. You won't see the value in plain text in your code or commit history, which helps prevent accidental leaks. If you need to adjust anything later, you can return to the Secrets pane to update or delete the entry without touching your source files. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Use consistent key names across projects for easier maintenance. Avoid hard-coding sensitive data anywhere in your code, and review your secrets periodically to keep things tidy and secure. That's it. Your secret is now safely stored and ready for use.